Stop thinking life needs sunlight to exist. The deep ocean has a different story to tell. Back in 1977, scientists made a mind-blowing discovery near the Galapagos Islands. They found hydrothermal vents, underwater geysers that gush out superheated mineral-rich water from the Earth's crust. Now, you might think, nothing can live there, right? Wrong. These vents are home to unique ecosystems where life doesn't depend on sunlight. Instead, it relies on chemosynthesis. That's a fancy way of saying bacteria turn chemicals from the vents into energy. And guess who's living there? Giant tube worms, blind shrimp, and vent crabs. Yep, all thriving in pitch darkness and scorching temperatures. It's like an alien world right here on Earth. So next time someone says life needs sunlight, just remember those incredible creatures around hydrothermal vents. Nature always finds a way. Thanks for watching. Hit like and follow for more jaw-dropping facts.